yourself and me. Eh? Take your studies very serious and don't associate with boys. Remember, you're my first child. Any footsteps you're taking now is the same step your siblings are going to take. Please make me proud. Make the villagers proud. Make everybody, even the king, make them to be proud. So that your kinsmen, everybody will know that you are I trained you well. Please, you know I have suffered. I don't want your own education to stop where mine stopped. Please, I want you to go higher than me. Please don't associate with boys. When they touch you like this by mistake, you are pregnant. And I don't want that to happen. Biko, don't shame me and God no go shame us. You hear? Do you have anything to say?
Yes, can I ask you a question?
Ask me.
Hope you not slap me.
I will not. I'm not a slapper, and meanwhile you're listening to me.
Okay. When you're in your parents' house and daddy saw you, you both agreed to marry.
I don't understand. What do you say?
When you're in your parents' house, and daddy first saw you, when you people agreed to marry.
Hey, you're asking me if I was in my parents' house before daddy saw me.
And you people agreed to marry.
Whether I was in my parents' house, I don't get that your question again. Ask me.
When you were in your parents' house, daddy first saw you, and how did you people got married?
You don't need to know how we got married. So you are asking me that question? You have grown wings, have you? You're talking to your mother like that? Me? Wait though, you have grown wings. You have grown wings to talk back at me, to ask me questions, eh?